Hey y'all, I'm Rhonda and welcome back to my kitchen. Y'all see I got my gloves on today. We're about to get deep in this. I'm going to make one of our little family favorites when it comes to appetizers and little finger foods and little goodies, and that is sausage balls. But I'm going to do it just a little bit different. I come across this recipe and honey, we're going to try this one. This one looks delicious. So it is just a few ingredients, which y'all know I like, and but it's using some Bisquick and cheese and sausage, cream cheese, Rotel, and so it's cream cheese Rotel sausage balls. So let's get in it. I've got my oven set at 375. She's ready to go. And I'm going to start with my grated cheese because I need 2 cups of that, and I don't want to get my hands all nasty and then be dipping up in my cheese because I don't need all this. I just grated it. So 2 cups of, can't go wrong with lots of cheese. But no. Cheesier the better, I think.
I love the sausage balls.
Oh yeah, this one of Russell's favorites.
One of my favorites.
Hands down, one of his favorites. Every time
when
I
we
say
have finger foods, that's the first thing I go to grab.
Yes. Every time I say, what do you want? Do some sausage balls.
Yep, that's my
New
favorite.
Year's,
Yep.
Christmas, whenever. All right, I've got 8 ounces of cream cheese, and it's looking kind of ragged. Y'all know I've already said why. When I don't use that Philadelphia, honey, sometimes it just whoops my backside. Kicked right in the caboose. All right, we gonna get it all out though. Listen, it's not gonna get me. It will not get me down.
We ain't losing that butter.
We ain't losing no cream cheese, no sir. Now I've got let me go ahead and get the sausage in here. I've got 1 pound of Jimmy Dean sausage. I did not do the hot. They didn't have the hot. Russell prefers the hot one, but I've just got some regular.
She's wimpy, yo.
I am wimpy, but normally I do it as he likes it, to be honest.
Yeah,
but 1 pound.
It's all right. It's all good. We can
It is. Well,
wimpy.
I figured that Rotel's gonna have just a little kick
It's
to
got
it.
a little kick. Yeah.
It does. So you will be just fine.
Yeah, I will.
You will be just fine,
I'm not
sugar
gonna
bugger.
complain at all, y'all.
And I don't do you a lick of good.
That's right. It ain't gonna do me no good. That's right. It ain't gonna do me no good to complain.
No,
Ain't
no,
nobody listening, no way.
Nobody's
That's right.
listening.
That's right.
All right, I've got some Rotel, the diced tomatoes with the green chilies. They was on sale. But look here, you got to drain it. I want you to look in there. It's not even a half can.
Once you get the liquid out.
Once you get the liquid out, honey, you only got about a half a can. So there we go. But I drained it pretty good. Now, I'm going to go ahead and get in this. But you know what? I'll go ahead and put my Bisquick, because I got to get in here real good, and I don't want my gloves to get completely nasty. So we're going to go in with about 1.5 cups of this Bisquick. Now, I've already opened it up so it don't whoop my butt. Ain't nothing worse than trying to open something while you're doing this, because listen, things that you wouldn't think twice about when you're
when you're
cooking,
in the kitchen. That's right. Yeah.
It's the little
It's
things.
a struggle bus when you're on camera.
It is, y'all.
Cream cheese, y'all. It's a battle.
It is a battle. Yes, it is.
You wouldn't think it, but
You wouldn't.
oh,
Lord. Yeah. All right, now I'm gonna get in here. I'm gonna move this cheese because I ain't trying to mess all my good cheese up.
Right.
So I just had it out. So I'm just gonna get in here and I'm just gonna just work it in. It's kind of like meatloaf. Just get in there and get it. It ain't gonna get no better. But I've got my little mat over there. Now you can get your you can put it on some paper or whatever, parchment paper. But I'm gonna use my little mat Daniel bought me. He always says you don't use it, Mama, but I do. I use it. Anyway, we're just gonna get this mixed up really good. I've got my little ice cream scooper over here. Actually, it's like a little melon ball. And I'm gonna measure these out. Now, you don't want this to be dry, so don't think, oh gosh, it's too wet, let me add some more, because it will turn out to be little dry, little hockey puck balls.
You
And
don't want that.
you don't want that in your life, honey. You don't put all your effort and time into
You want
it.
it to be good and
You want it to be good.
yeah, have that flavor in it.
That's right. So, and it don't take, this didn't take no time. Shoot. I think that cream cheese in there, along with that,
sounds
cheddar.
delicious.
Now you can use any kind of cheese you want. You can, I had cheddar. I think the Mexican cheese would be delicious in it.
Yeah, Monterey.
Or some
Pepper jack.
Pepper jack,
Yeah.
that would be really good in it. Or Kobe jack,
Yeah.
any kind.
Some jalapeno in it, maybe.
Yes, yes. Well, it had a little chilies in it, but I did think of some jalapeno. But I made a little dipping sauce that it's got some jalapenos, some cilantro in it. So.
Nice.
All right, let's see what we can do here. This is it. I think it's done enough here. And I'm gonna mix. I'm gonna make about 1-inch balls on here. Let's see. I guess I'll go ahead and take my little gloves off now, or at least one. There we go. All right, we're just gonna scoop them on here. Little 1-inch balls. Hope that, look at that.
Oh, it looks good.
Just as sweet as it can be. Sitting up on that mat, just
that
as
thing came out
proud.
pretty good.
There you go.
Oh yeah.
All right, y'all. I'm just gonna scoop all these. I ain't trying to.
Take y'all with us through the whole
Yes,
ordeal.
through the entire
Right.
process. But when I get done, I'll show you what they all look like, and we're gonna throw them in the oven, and we're gonna have us some sausage balls in just a little bit. Okay, y'all, got them all rolled out. Look at there, 35 balls is what it made. 35 sausage balls.
They look fantastic.
So, the more I dipped, the more it seemed like I had, because I had to scoot them around and get them real friendly with
We'll
one
do some
another.
organizing there.
I had to reorganize them, that's right, but they looking like they're raring to go. So in the oven they go. They'll probably cook for about 20-25 minutes. I will time them. Like I said, we're at 375. So I'll bring it back when they're ready. There they are, y'all. 30 minutes at 375 degrees. You don't want to overcook them. Dry them out.
They look
They look
yummy,
delicious.
yummy.
They look delicious.
Yeah.
All right, you ready to try them out, Russell?
Absolutely.
I've got a little sauce made on the side. Some little jalapeno sauce. But anyway, you can make any kind of sauce you want with this. It's good. It would be good with ranch. It will be good with anything you can think of. A little salsa, a little queso. That would be delicious.
Cheese, yeah.
Yes. Cheese on top of cheese. You cannot go wrong, right?
That's right.
All right. Well, let's give them a little taste.
Ho, ho, ho! Y'all, how you doing?
We apparently have Santa Claus. Santa Claus in the house.
Yeah.
These sausage balls must just got you right in the mood for some
I'm ready,
Christmas.
y'all. I'm getting the Christmas spirit. It's getting to be about that time.
Good for you. Good
Yeah.
for you. Yes, it is. Well, you
When it gets about a week, I can tolerate the music. I'm not
Yeah.
one of these people when it, Labor Day and the Christmas music comes on. I'm just not one
And
of
I
these people.
sing Christmas songs.
She could
all
do it year round.
year.
She really could.
No, I'm humming it in my
She could leave the
kids.
Christmas lights up year round.
I
She really could.
I
She
could. I could.
She
I
loves it. She
love
really does.
I do. I really do.
Yeah.
Just the lights, just the ambiance, just everything. I
Yeah,
just
she
love
loves
it.
it.
I
She really
do.
does.
I've been there scrubbing the shower.
We are empty nesters and we have the lights on every single day. Every day, y'all. Every
I'll
day.
be scrubbing the shower, just jingle bells.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah, we
All
had
right.
someone on another channel we heard got a copyright, so we don't want to do none of that. We're going to be
we
singing the
don't.
Christmas spirit and get copyrighted. So.
No, Lord, no. I'm not be
Yeah.
singing anyway,
Yeah.
so it'll be all right. But anyway.
She needs to sing, y'all. She's an excellent singer. We've had plenty of people that know, that y'all know, the ones out there that know, you know. Y'all goad her into singing. That's what y'all need to get in the
That-
comments and tell her to sing y'all a Christmas carol. That's what y'all need to do.
He needs to stop. He needs Jesus. He needs to stop.
No, I don't. I have
Stop.
Jesus. What you mean? I need Jesus.
Anyway, back to the sausage ball. He just tells.
I'm full of it tonight, y'all. I'm
He
sorry.
tells
I
it all.
have the Christmas spirit with me.
He tells it all. He does.
No, I don't tell it all.
Well, you
I
tell
a
it
lot.
all. He does.
All right. Onward to the. I've never had these before, so this will
No,
be
he's
interesting.
not.
We're going for the little dippy dip. See how
It's
that?
just a little jalapeno. It's actually Chewy's mock jalapeno.
Good.
It's good, ain't it?
It's really good.
Yeah, I was like, what kind of sauce would be good with the?
That's good. The sauce is good.
It is
Got a little heat.
jalapeno.
Let me try this without and see if it's got heat.
Yeah.
If that had heat
Cilantro.
or if that had heat.
Well, that was the jalapenos in there. The Rotel shouldn't be too hot. It's the sauce, ain't it?
The sauce had the heat.
It gave just a little hit though.
It's got a little heat.
Just
yeah. That's good because the sausage don't have no heat at all.
It didn't. I didn't do the hot.
It's got
Jimmy
very
Dean.
good flavor though.
It does, don't it?
It's
I'll link the
sausage balls
recipe.
next level.
It
It
is.
takes it up a notch. The Rotel kind of gives it a little bit of extra. Yeah.
It does that creaminess in the cream cheese.
Yeah, well,
and
we
all.
make that dip
We do.
with that kind of
Yeah. Yes.
same stuff. You know?
It is just in the form of a sausage ball.
It really is. I mean, it kind of tastes like the same. I mean,
It does.
it's very good. I'm telling y'all, that's a winner.
It's a winner.
If you love the little nick, this is my favorite finger food for
Yeah.
the holidays. Out of all of them, to be honest, I love them all, but this is probably my favorite.
Yeah.
I think Summer's too. Maybe
Yeah, I
Summer.
think so.
Summer likes them too.
Little meatballs and little
The
little
Smokies,
smokies, all those good
cheese
little
balls. We do it up.
We
We do it up.
We
Yep.
do. But
Give this one a try. Oh, I
Yeah.
say that every video, but I mean it. I mean it every time. So, yeah.
Yep. I will link the little recipe for the Chewy's jalapeno.
The dip, it is
Dip,
very good.
if you want
It's
it.
got a little kick. If you like a little heat, it's got a little kick to it.
It was pretty simple, just whip up. So
it's good.
yeah, there's that. But anyway, like I said, this will be good though in queso, salsa,
Absolutely.
anything. Anything really. They're really, really good.
Yeah.
So if you wanna
Christmas parties,
yes.
any kind of parties, New Year's celebrations, college football playoffs,
All
Yeah.
kind, all kind.
Speaking of them college football playoffs, the Clemson Tigers is coming up, y'all.
They squeaked.
When y'all see this video, they'll be playing tomorrow. So y'all go ahead and put your orange on and root them Tigers through.
Oh bless.
Yeah. Any Texas Longhorn fans out there, I'm sorry we're gonna, sorry what we're gonna do
We
to
not
you.
gonna get into that.
Hey.
Stop. Just stop.
Okay, well.
He has said
She has to reel me back in.
I
I'm
do.
sorry, y'all. This is,
I do.
Yeah.
I do. Anyway. All right, y'all. Well, I hope you try this. I hope you're gonna love it.
Yeah.
And if you do try it,
Get in the
holla
comments.
back
Let us
at me.
know.
Holla.
Hey, let us know a Christmas carol you'd like to hear.
He's gonna sing it.
No, I don't sing. I'm not a singer. I definitely,
You
y'all don't
can
want.
sing.
We would have our subscriptions was, you know how you have a little trending? It would not be good. That would not go well at all. I'm the comedic relief. Well, I mean, if you want to laugh, you could probably, me singing might bring that along.
You can do it. I have
I would not.
have faith in you.
I would not
honey.
get the yellow paper, y'all.
Whatever.
Y'all remember the yellow paper? I don't know. I may be sharing my age now. The yellow paper from this TV show,
The golden ticket from
American Idol.
American Idol.
Yeah, I wouldn't get that
The
paper.
golden ticket.
Yeah.
Well, whatever. Anyway, these little sausage balls would though.
I'm rambling, y'all. They're fantastic. Y'all
They're
try
good.
the
They're
recipe.
good. Yep.
Back to the real.
Reason we're here.
Right. Yeah. Exactly.
Come on back with us, Russell.
Yeah. Well, these are fantastic.
They are.
That is as good as it gets. I guarantee you, your people will love it. You'll love it. Next level sausage balls.
Yep. All right, y'all. Till next time.
Peace.